Sales rep shot and succumbed to his injuries in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007
Welcome
TV
to
News
Links
Report,
007
and we'll be right
TV
back with the
News
full and
Report,
exclusive details
providing
to
you with the
come.
best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back. Thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 25-year-old sales representative was shot in Mount Avery, Westmoreland on Wednesday night. Ferguson is said to have worked with his father, who owns and operates a liquor business for many years. Reports from the Negril police are that at around 8:30 p.m., Ferguson went to a shop to make a delivery. Shortly after, two men reportedly drove up on motorcycles and opened gunfire, hitting him multiple times before escaping. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, they found Ferguson suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. He was taken to the Salvamore General Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The investigations are ongoing. According to the police crime statistics, up to August 26, Westmoreland recorded 79 murders, the second highest number across all police divisions. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.